when you be planting to be sweeting you, be like, plants, we go here, we go here. Then it will now be done on you when you want to start managing it, spraying pesticides, applying your manure. You will not know that until you plant, no be smart, you know. Then harvest time will now come. Hey, you can go get. Look, like we've harvested like how many bags from here? We're just looking like we've not even done anything. Oh Jesus. Look, oh. Look what a hard body can do. Let's just start bagging because this is plenty. That's so much. I'm tired already. Let's go. Let's get started. Okay, let me be playing. Let me play with Spotify. Let me leave YouTube music. I don't know what they're misbehaving this morning, so that the work can be done.